Hey, we are at the Gillette Motel in downtown Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're here for the nail tech event of the Smokies this weekend, and I am just checking into my room here. A couple of nail techs across the ways, they were waving and hollering. So yeah, check out. This is the remodeled Gillette. Isn't this nice? I love this. This is so cute. I love that walk-in shower. And there's my luggage, don't worry about that. And there we go. Look at the birds wallpaper. I just love it. And I really like how they do the white comforters. And they also have the zippered mattress covers that like totally seal out any kind of bed bug situation. So yay for that. We've got our little, what do you call it, refrigerators. And if you feel like doing housework, there's everything right there. I will wear my clothes wrinkled 100%. Do not care. I'll spray that wrinkle stuff on it. But yeah, microwave and coffee pot. And then I've got a balcony out here. Let's go see what it looks like. If I can open and get out these doors. There we go. It was a little tight doing it one-handed. Okay, look at, yay. See, we can see some of the Smoky Mountains up there. And there's the Bearline General Store, and you can get some food items there and whatnot. And a tip for anybody who doesn't know, but you can't do it on Sunday because the church right there, the Catholic church, they have like, I think it was $5 or $7 parking. They let you park. And they got this little box with these little envelopes, and you put your money in it, your cash money, and then you put it in the box. And you can't do that Sunday because they're going to be holding, you know, mass. So anyway, yes, this is the Gillette Motel, and we got a cute little balcony here. So nail techs, I hope to see you this weekend at the nail tech event of the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Needing any info, go to nailtechevent.com. Peace out, nail techs.